Hello everyone, welcome to Indian market trade setup for tomorrow 12th January 2024. In this we will be seeing about how the US market is trading currently and European market how it ended and what we can expect for tomorrow. Let's get into the video. So US market is currently trading in negative bias. All the three indices like Dow Jones, Nasdaq 100 and S&P 500, all the three are trading almost flat minus 0.5 percentage, where our Indian stocks of USAD are also trading in a negative bias, like Infosys, HDFC Bank, Reliance and Wipro, all of them are trading in negative. Surprisingly, Infosys opened up with a 5 percentage gap up in US market against to its result it weakness. That's surprising in US market. As I told in the post market report that the news of the Infosys poor result is already factored in, so all the shorts been covered. If there is no more shorts over there in Indian market, we can expect the up movement. So that's how the option sellers and buyers will be trapped against the betting of results. So you should be very careful when you are trading on the options or the futures based on the results of the very big giant stocks. So TCS, we expected a good result, so it came positive. So we may see some action if both the TCS and Infosys been trading in positive. So today now Gift Nifty is indicating around 58 points lower, so which can be managed if IT stocks perform well. Underlines there is no bad news to fall, so our market can be get into a momentum if the big stocks like Infosys, TCS and Reliance and HDFC Bank if turned as well, we can trade in a green. So let's see quickly about the pivot point calculator indicating by the for the Nifty for tomorrow, how it can be act as a resistance and support. So today our market closed around the range of 21,650 level. So this is a very crucial point between the support and the resistance level, where you can see the support is staying at the level of 21,500 and the resistance level is around the 21,750, the first resistance level. So which is in the middle. We cannot predict which direction it will go, either plus or minus 100 it will be their support and the next will the other side will be in the resistance. We have to be very careful in this range. The market will be in the range bound only unless the resistance of 21,750 is first of all it's taken decisively, so then we can look for the all-time high breakout of 21,834. On the downside, since the 21,500 is been hit more than 3 times, if it come again, then there will be a weakness in 21,500 level, which can directly go to the down of 21,300 levels. So that's why the next week range will be from 21,300 to 21,800 level. So again this is a range bound only, so market have to either one side to be broken to move up or down. So then we will have a clear indication either it is a bullish or a bearish momentum. So that's for the Nifty levels, and next we can see about the Bank Nifty levels. So Bank Nifty, so the immediate resistance is seen at the level of 47,477. So where today's market it's closed around 47,450 level. So if it is going next, it will be 47,709 and 47,871 levels can be seen. And again on the downside, it is support at 47,283, 47,183 and 47,021, which is the level yesterday it have touched. So that is a crucial point. And again the Bank Nifty movement all depends the ICICI Bank and the HDFC Bank and SBI and all PSU banks. So all of them are upcoming the results the next week. The HDFC it will be starting up. Usually HDFC banks come with results during the weekends. This time it coming during the trade hours. and we have seen that banks will be under pressure for the upcoming, since there is a pause on the rate cutting. So this is a negative news in fact. So the banks will be under pressure. So we will reflect maybe tomorrow, since it is a Friday and 2 days weekend. People don't want to carry out the positions, so we have to be wait and watch on these levels. So next to the PCR level notification, we have seen the PCR level come down to the level of 0.86 from the level of 1.06 levels. So as we always indicate, 1 PCR indicates the traders. If it is below 1 PCR, the people are buying more call option than the put option, which is basically indicating bullish sentiment. So we have to wait and watch. If tomorrow's action on IT, we can expect some up movement over there. With that, FII and DII data. So FII been again a seller for the third straight day. So they have sold for 865 crores, and domestic institutionals equally competing them, and they have bought for 1607 crores, which is they matched. They have doubled the buying side. So domestic institutional hands are already up throughout all this series. So with that, the SIP and mutual funds, they are pumping in money like anything. This shows the strength of Indian market and economy. So we have to wait for tomorrow how both will be our sellers or buyers. So based on the weekend mode, and US CPI data been released, and that was came 3.5 percentage higher. That is a bit high, so they are expecting the high inflation will be there. So immediately the US may be looking for the rate cut of Fed from the Fed, which will be carrying out end of this month. We will have some cues, so we have to wait for the data. So that's it for today. I think tomorrow's trade will be good for everyone. Stay safe, investor. Thank you.